Millions of tons of water are pushing against this concrete wall every second. So why doesn't the dam collapse?
Water doesn't push equally. The deeper it goes, the greater the pressure becomes. Near the base, the force is many times stronger than at the surface. That's why gravity dams are incredibly thick at the bottom. Their enormous weight pushes downward, resisting the water trying to tip them over. The dam isn't standing alone. It transfers its massive load into solid bedrock beneath the valley. Without strong foundations, even the thickest dam could fail. But strength alone isn't enough. During floods, spillways safely release excess water. Engineers never simply build a dam and walk away. Sensors continuously measure movement and pressure every day, ensuring its absolute stability, constantly monitored for safety. A dam survives millions of tons of water because engineering controls every force, gravity, geometry, and constant monitoring. That's why